What's this note? I don't remember this.
This is serious. I need to check.
Let's see the records. I can't keep putting this off.
It's time to get this done. Let's focus. Just a bit more effort. Let's review this. The Q3 projections look solid. Just need to adjust the marketing budget. That should cover it. These numbers don't match. I should check the quarterly report. Here we go. This explains it. The data is syncing now. Looks perfect. This quarter's report is almost done. Time to get some work done. Let's get started. Laptop is open. Time to type this report.
I need to think about this. That's the solution. Now, to put it into action.
Team, our new strategy is taking shape. We'll focus on innovation and client value. Let's align and execute with precision.